A stands for akwụkwọ. Akwụkwọ is book. Say after me. Akwụkwọ. Say after me. Akwụkwọ. A for achịcha. Achịcha is bread. Say after me. Achịcha. Say after me. Achịcha. B for banye. Banye is enter. Say after me. Banye. Say after me. Banye. B for bia. Bia is come. Say after me. Bia. Say after me. Bia. Ch for chukwu. Chukwu is God. Say after me. Chukwu. Say after me. Chukwu. Ch for chikota. Chikota is gathered together. Say after me. Chikota. Say after me. Chikota. If you're interested in joining one of our Igbo classes, you can click on our website in the description box. You can book classes via our website. Our website remains www.learnigbo-byconversation.com.